When I was 13, my family was visiting our relatives in Germany, and we went to a downtown area and saw a street vendor. He was wearing a chef's hat and he had a chef's outfit on, and he was selling a veggie slicer. He did his entire presentation in German. I didn't understand a word of what he was saying, but I understood everything that he wanted to convey in his sales pitch. He was showing people how you could slice tomatoes, dice onions, chop green pepper. He showed how your life could become easier using his solution. Now, I didn't even know how to cook at the time, but I found myself reaching into my pocket to get out the little money I had so I could buy this for my mother, who was standing next to me, herself reaching into her purse to buy this product too. Lots of people wanted to just buy this product. Nobody went to the market that day looking for veggie slicers, but this chef had created demand. He created demand because his use cases were just so compelling. He was telling a story with his demo, and you could identify with the story. No matter what you're selling, tell stories with your demos based on what your prospects can relate to. The more they can relate to your story, the better your chances of closing a deal.